children, now we see further few sums of prove that. Now children, before we proceed further, what I would like to say is that when we come across these kind of sums which are prove that sums, one important thing is what I would like to tell you people. It's not that the way in which I solve is the only way. Let me tell you, a particular sum of proofs or many sum of proofs I can say can be proved by 2, 3, 4 ways. Yes children, it is not the only way which I'll be showing, right? You can use of these fundamentals whatever I have given up till now. At the same time, if you apply your knowledge, your logic, you can come out with one more set of solution. Somebody might come out with one more set of solution. So sums which are based on 2 proof will have multiple solution and not one single solution. So I want from here onwards, right? If you find that, okay sir, you have solved in this particular way, but I feel there is one more way, you can, so long as you are conceptually correct, so long as you are applying all the identities and the relations which we have studied in past correct, you will have multiple solutions for 2 proof. So keep this in mind children. Let's see, once again I can say, for me this is a very simple sum. I hope it's very simple for you also once we finish off. What it says, 1 upon 1 minus sine A plus 1 upon 1 plus sine A is 2 sec square A is what we need to prove. So we start with LHS as we have discussed in the first 2 sums only. Henceforth I'm not going to say that we'll be doing by both the ways. We'll be picking up any one. So we pick up LHS, 1 upon 1 minus sine A plus 1 upon 1 plus sine A. I intend to prove my RHS, which is 2 sec square A. Children, is what we will say LCM is the need of the hour. So over here it is 1 minus sine A, over here it is 1 plus sine A. So shall I multiply this by 1 minus sine A? Shall I multiply this by 1? Sorry, I'm so sorry. Shall I multiply this by 1 plus sine A? Shall I multiply this by 1 minus sine A? Whatever I do over here, 1 plus sine A. Likewise, 1 minus sine A. So what I'll be having? 1 plus sine A plus 1 minus sine A. Hope you are understanding. This is into. This is into. So this is the way one can understand, or I shall make you understand in a very simple way also besides this. But let me first finish off. So what we had, 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A. We had 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A. So it's 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. Minus sine A plus sine A gets cancels off. Plus sine A minus sine A gets cancels off. 1 plus 1, 2. Now children, A plus B, A minus B. Don't you think so? It is A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. And I have said in my previous slides only that henceforth I won't be writing 1 square. Why? Because 1 square is 1. Can I say 2 upon 1 minus sine square A? Yes, by this time many must have got the answer. Cos square A. 1 minus sine square A, cos square A. What is the relation? The relation is, since sine square A plus cos square A is 1. Therefore, 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. Now children, can I write down this as 2 into 1 by cos square A? 2 by cos square A. Can I write down this as 2 into 1 by cos square A? Why? 2 into 1 by cos square A. 1 by cos square A is nothing but sec square A. So rather saying into, can I say 1 by cos square A as sec square A? What is the relation? Since 1 by cos square A is equals to sec square A. 1 by cos square A is equals to sec square A. And this is nothing but my RHS. So since LHS is equals to RHS, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, 1 upon 1 minus sine A plus 1 upon 1 plus sine A is equals to 2 sec square A. Is equals to 2 sec square A. Now children, I feel that making you all understand LCM, as I said, this is a very perfect approach, but for lower classes where we have to make them understand what is LCM, I just want, if you all can manage to write down in this way, this is much more suitable. Only for the first step I'm talking about. My first step will be 1 minus sine A plus 1 plus sine A, when I say LCM, I shall just make you understand henceforth in this way. So what happens over here? 1 plus sine A will come, 1 plus sine A, plus, when this goes over here, 1 minus sine A, and what shall be here? 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A. Children, if you just check, this step and this step is the same. The only thing is, you might find it a bit, difficult to understand that what exactly sir has done. You can use cross multiplication also, but that's not the right word. The right way to make you all understand is LCM, but if you want in your exams, you can directly go in this way. I hope this sum was very, very simple for you people.